Something big is happening in the crypto market behind the scenes. And in this video, I'm going to be telling you about it. There's a lot of volatility this weekend. We've seen a lot of red the last couple of days. Is this red going to continue? And also check out this article, which we are going to be talking about in this video. So make sure you watch this video until the very end. Look what it says. Why war and sanctions are good for Bitcoin. And not only Bitcoin, but for the whole crypto ecosystem. As we see, since the war has broken out with Russia and Ukraine and all this crazy stuff is happening, we have actually seen the prices of cryptocurrencies spike. Not only spike faster, 10%, 20%, they have been spiking big. There's been a lot of volume happening. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about exactly what is going to be happening, most likely, and where we are headed in this crypto market. We are going to get right into the video, but for 2 seconds, guys, do me a favor, hit up the like button because YouTube does not like to share these crypto videos, and make sure you subscribe with notifications on so you do not miss these absolutely time-sensitive videos. So what we are seeing, guys, ladies and gentlemen, is that the crypto market is certainly trading in this very interesting ascending triangle pattern. We are seeing difficulty for Bitcoin, for the crypto market, breaking $45,000. We have basically tested it 3 times since the 4th of January. Since the 4th of January, we pumped up once trying to break it. We got rejected, came all the way down to the support level of about $34,000. We've continued and tried once more time on the 10th of February, only getting rejected and attempting to come back up again, and then getting rejected even more with all the FUD and the crazy stuff that is happening around the world. That is what is preventing cryptos from breaking this resistance level and from continuing in a bullish manner. But ever since around the 17th of February, we had war. We had news that Russia finally invaded Ukraine. So what happened was there was a crazy crash in the crypto market, which in my Patreon, we were able to sell before the crash, fortunately, and then buy this dip. So we made crazy gains in the Patreon in just a very short period of time. Last week was absolutely crazy for us. But here is the thing. We tried multiple times in that region to break this resistance level, and then we finally tried again the 1st of March, only to get rejected again because of more type of FUD with Russia overcoming a nuclear power plant in Ukraine. So we've had some difficulty trying to break this, but what we are seeing is certainly an ascending triangle pattern forming, and this can be very bullish at times. So we are seeing these support levels continually get higher and higher and higher while the resistance levels are staying the same. So what this means for cryptocurrencies is that the bulls are starting to gain some momentum and some strength, which effectually means that here soon, within a very short period of time, eventually we are going to get squeezed up into the apex of this pattern, which every single time we get squeezed into an apex of a pattern, there is a massive breakout. But we won't know whether the breakout is going to be bullish or bearish. But if there is a breakout and we start to see cryptos breaking outside of the pattern, whether it's to the upside or to the downside, we are going to have significant knowledge and foresight to see that a huge move is going to be taking place. So if we break out to the upside, we know that we want to be buying, we want to be making an entry and making some awesome gains here. And if we know that if we're breaking out to the downside, we will sell our position here in the Patreon, which is my private investment group where I put out constant day trade alerts for cryptos. And once we start to break out to the downside, if that were to happen, it would be likely that we would see a bigger correction, probably coming down to that support level of about $34,000 to $33,000 for Bitcoin. And if we don't hold that, we would continue to go lower. But here is the thing. So while there is war taking place, make sure you guys continue to watch because I have good information for you that you cannot miss. If with this war taking place, there's an article and something I've been talking about for the last couple of weeks that points out that war, unfortunate as it is for people around the world, is very, very good for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. The reason for this is many, but primarily you have countries like Russia, you have countries like Ukraine, where their economies are collapsing. Their dollars are collapsing at a very fast pace. So people need to put their money in somewhere that doesn't crash 90% in a single day, but that actually holds its value and is actually going up in value. Not only that, with Russia, there are sanctions upon Russia. So Russia is not able to use banks. They are not able to do normal types of trades. So they have to, which they've already stockpiled Bitcoin, billions and billions upon Bitcoin before all of this happened. But Russia now is forced to use Bitcoin to pay for things that they need as a country, for their national banks, for their financial policy. They need Bitcoin. And this whole scenario is for cryptocurrencies that is very, very good. And it only solidifies the point that cryptocurrencies are the future, and cryptocurrencies will be adopted in time all throughout the world in the years to come. It may happen sooner, it may happen faster than we may expect it, but here is certainly the thing. Cryptocurrencies were created for these types of purposes so that there's no country that can take your Bitcoin from you. There's nobody that can steal your Bitcoin from you. If you have money in a bank, that bank crashes because of some type of war, all of your money is gone. So if the creators of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency, they came up with these ideas so that people can store their financial power or wealth without it being inhibited by any single entity or person. So that's why cryptocurrencies are going up. And that's why cryptocurrencies, however volatile they are right now, will in the future be much higher than where we currently are right now. Let me know if you agree with that in the comments below, and give this video a thumbs up if you've gotten something out of this video so far. Now, if you want to get access to trade alerts when I'm buying and selling cryptocurrencies, you want to get access to be able to speak to me on the phone where we can go over your current portfolio. I have Telegram groups, we have Discord groups, some of them which are free. Check out my video description where I also have a crypto trading course to teach you technical analysis. I have a whole bunch of services and things in my video description to help you guys make money. Like for instance, you can get $9,000 for free if you open up a WEBULL account below with my link. All you have to do is deposit 1 penny or more, and they will send you 5 free stocks worth potentially up to $9,000. And in addition to that, if you want to be able to day trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, open up an iTrust Capital account. If you make a deposit in there, if you fund your account, they will send you $100 in free Bitcoin. Definitely check out some of the things I have in my video description. That's going to be it for today's video. Now, if you like these quick, short emergency videos that get straight to the point, make sure you smash up the like button. Share this video with a friend or family member, and let me know in the comments below if you like these videos and the type of videos that you would like to see from me. Thank you so much and have a great day.